What's up, people? Welcome back to the parts guys. Today I'm taking off the flywheel, I'm removing the engine harness, and I'm gonna degrease it down, and then we got to make the decision if we're gonna paint it or not. So let's get started. Safe enough to take this flywheel off real quick. See if I can keep enough of a grip on it without dropping the dang thing. Alright. That one came out nice and easy. Got a little swing to us, but that's okay. So this flywheel is ready to pop off. Alright. Check that out. Look. It's mighty blue. Alright, we'll put that over there. Stock flywheel, stock clutch. Alright, we got some oil in there. Doesn't really look like it's the rear main seal though. Like, I don't know, maybe it's my oil pan leaking. Let's take a look. Or actually, it's pulled up back there. Huh. Guess I gotta look into some stuff. But anyways, so the flywheel's off, that's awesome. That came off nice and easy. I only got 3 bolts that would actually work. Down here, I didn't have a bolt that works, so I just shoved that in there for now. I gotta run to the hardware store, pick up a long enough bolt to shove through there, and then I still gotta adjust the head here so that it sits nice and even on it. Alright, so it's sitting just on the stand itself. I got that all taken care of. I got something new that I think I'm gonna wear every single day of my life now. But the engine looks pretty good sitting up on the stand. Not. You guys think I should cut the valve cover? You know, so I have the actual cam gears exposed there. Let me know what you guys think about that. If I do that, I'll probably end up repainting this valve cover, and I may not go green again because I don't know if it fits right with that car. From what I understand with getting these actual clips off here, you got your little metal pin clip that holds it on both sides, holds tension. Supposedly I can just pop that out there, move it to the side. Whoopsie. I got one side off quick. I didn't get the other side off at all. There we go. So I pop both sides of it out. Now, boom, and I instantly dropped the clip. I understand why the ad said, or the little post said, try not to lose the clip in the process. Which, I've lost it in the process. Nice. Alright, kept that one. See, I get smarter as I go. But it never fails. I will mess up. I will mess up. Looks like this one wants to go flying. Woohoo! Saved it. But yeah, that's the clip that went flying. That's got a lot of tension. That'll just shoot right out. But alright, let's move to getting the rest of the harness off. At least you can see down in there a little bit now. See the oil build up. Like, I definitely want to get that off. We'll take these 10 mils off down here. It's like just that one. I got one more clip way up there to take off. And then take that 10 mil off. And then I can take this harness. I can snake it out. So then there's just one connector up here. And a ton of spiders. Screw you, man. Next time, take the bracket off. Woo! Look how greasy that thing is. Look at me. This is ridiculous. Anyways, I'm gonna clean that up just because, you know, why have that still oily and a clean engine block? Because that makes no sense. So then besides that, I'm gonna tape up all the ports, all the holes that I have, all the sensors, tape them all up so no fluid gets in there while I'm cleaning the block. But yeah, let's take a good look at all the oil built up over here. Check this out. Of course, the sun's in a bad spot for me now. Quick, let's just look at this. This is after spraying it down with purple power, and that not really doing much. That left a nice residue on there. And then I went ahead and went to the parts store, grabbed some foamy engine degreaser, and that helped a lot more, and then spraying it down with the hose afterwards. But I still got a little bit of a residue on it. What's nice is back here there really isn't much corrosion, but I got to get this bracket off, and more than likely I'm going to end up taking the intake off eventually to get the whole thing stripped and cleaned. But let me show you the other side. The pitting is really bad, the corrosion and everything over here. I know it's kind of hard to see, but all this, I could probably wire wheel it, but even then it's still not going to look too great after I wire wheel, so I'll probably end up having to paint this, even though I didn't want to. Alright, even that's got a bunch of oil cakes. Yeah, I guess we got to make that decision. You guys should comment below. Let me know what you think about painting the block. Should I bother with it? Do you guys think it's cool? Whatever. But it is significantly cleaner. But I'm going to wrap it up because this video is getting pretty long. And I guess if we do paint it, I will wire wheel that side. But if we don't paint it, I'll probably just leave it how it is. And, you know, just maybe put a really nice looking header on so nobody looks at the block. So if you guys remember, I bought the same exact vehicle I had before, but whoops, gonna take myself out on a clutch. But the only thing that was wrong with the other car was the engine. So everything else I got doubles of. So with the things that I have doubles of, I'm going to try and do something special with. That way, you know, if something happens to go wrong with it, I can just throw the other one that I got on and keep on rolling. But, so I'm gonna kind of allude a little bit to what I'm gonna do. Remember, I got both of these transmissions and they're the same, the M2S4, but I definitely want to do something special with this. That's probably going to be the next video out, and I'm probably going to have that video in a little collaboration with Woodstocks. That's going to be sweet. If you guys haven't checked his channel out, you need to. But anyways, so he's going to help me out with that, and we'll do something special with those transmissions. I have 2 intakes, so I want to do something special with the other intake that I got, and we'll just see if it makes any difference. And if it does, cool, we'll keep that on. If not, we'll swap this one right back on. Keep it nice and easy like that. And then, so I don't know when that video will be, but that'll be in the near future. We're also going to do the timing set in the near future. We'll be putting on the flywheel after we take this back off the engine stand. But until we figure out whether or not we're painting it, I'm going to leave it on the stand and all that good jazz. But yeah, so I'm gonna go through and just real tediously like clean up all the small crevices and stuff like that. I'm not gonna show you guys on video because that's just pointless. But yeah, so those are a few of the videos I got coming up. All right, if you guys made it this far in the video, you guys are flipping awesome. Hit that like button, hit subscribe, try to support the channel. You guys are awesome for that. I really appreciate all the growth that the channel's been having rather recently. We're almost to 500. That's my next goal on subscribers. I think last I looked it was 467. That's freaking phenomenal. I feel big time even though I'm still small fry. But all right, till next time, I'm the Prelude dude. This is the parts guys. Stay looting.